Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas. 23 Mercedes E-Class. It's an AMG E63s. I should know that, but we do so many cars I can't even keep track of them anymore. So let's take a walk around. This is an Xpel PPF install, Xpel Ultimate Plus, and as simple as that. Nothing else was done. There was a decon, obviously, to the paint, a paint correction to get the paint to where it's perfect. Trust me, when this car was delivered, it only has 30 miles on it or whatever. The paint's great, but we go over it one more time to make sure it's the best. So let's take a look, wrapping in all our edges, our hood, that, all this on the bumper, wrapping in all our fenders, wrapping in here around the lights, wrapping in this area on the fender, wrapping under our wheel wells, coming in all our door areas. Our A-pillar's fully encapsulated. We take this piece off. It's one long trim piece. It just clips on. And then we go under the door and we do our B-posts, B-pillars. Everything gets wrapped under these moldings. Nice and perfect. Nice and perfect. And the handles get all wrapped in. Everything looks fantastic. All our trunk, our quarter, our tail lights, everything's wrapped in. AMG, all this stuff's wrapped in. No edges here. Everything's looking good. Same on this side. Full wrap around these lights. We don't want any edges. There's a couple areas where I can't get it wrapped due to the manufacturing, the way it's tight on a panel, but they're very, very few on some cars zero. Here's that A-pillar fully wrapped in, or the quarter panel coming into the A-pillar. And same thing here on this side. Everything's perfect. So that's it. Mercedes 23 E-Class AMG 63s. Full wrap Xpel. ClearBrowNorthDallas.com. If you guys have any questions, phone number 214-414-3809. We keep it simple. Beautiful car. It's going to stay this way for a long time. It's black. Lots of swirls will come up later, but not now. Fully protected, self-healing, no waxing, keep the chips down, and that's what it's all about. So thanks for watching. ClearBrowNorthDallas.com.